video we will learn how to activate ESET Internet Security. To begin with, you will open ESET and check your expiration date by clicking on Help and Support on the left-hand side. It will show you expiration date, public ID, and all relevant details regarding subscription. Once verified, you will go ahead and purchase ESET license and click on Change Subscription. You will see multiple options here like activate using ESET home account and use a purchased activation key, so please click on activation key option. Enter the activation key, click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you for more information like the first name, last name, city, state. Please note, only thing which is very important here is your email address and your country, because if you select wrong country you will get an error message. You can now just click on activate. Once activated, it will show you the correct expiration date.